going on, guys? Welcome back. We're doing a little wood delivery today. If you guys don't know what we do, my dad is a timber faller by trade, and we've moved into land clearing, forestry mulching and such. And we have my dad he has his own sawmill. And today got the truck loaded up with some cedar. I think it's 3/4 by 8 inch for fencing. Taking it up to my grandpa's place. The neighbor's selling his house and wanted to redo the blinder fence dividing the properties. So my dad said he'll donate the boards if the guy builds the fence. So my dad's been cracking out on the mill for a couple days now, here and there, and got a nice little load. I don't think it's quite enough, but it's a start. So I loaded up the little blue tractor on a little tilt trailer, and we're headed up there right now. So this is probably the lightest load I've ever hauled with this truck. It weighs just enough to make it like a cushioned ride. It's not bumpy. It's like compared to normal. The 5500 is definitely not the smoothest ride, but it makes it a lot more smooth on my back. But yeah, so I figured I'd throw that little tractor on there so it'd make it a lot easier for me to unload it when I get up here, because unloading stuff by hand sucks, especially when you got a machine at home that you could have brought to do the job. Oh, and by the way, if you guys are running a 6.7, your factory exhaust brake, the switch is an absolute terrible spot, and I'm sure many would agree, but there's a way around that, and it is simple. BD exhaust brake switch, you got to flutter it. You can't just up and down on for, you know, up for on. You got to flutter it because it's a momentary switch. But that saves so much of a headache, and you can see, or you don't have to look down to see what you're doing. So when you need the exhaust brake, all you do is hit that. No big deal. That is definitely a very, very good idea to put something like that on your truck if you're towing a lot, because when you're going down a steep grade, windy bed, or whatever it is, going through town, you want your exhaust brake, you don't want to have to look down there. Even if you got muscle memory going for it, you still sometimes could miss. But that thing's always on your stick shift, ready to rock. So that is a definite perk right there. So we're rolling up to my grandpa's house. It's not that far from my place, and yeah, my grandpa passed away 2008. Left the property to my dad, and through the awesomeness of his brother, my brother's trying to sue him for the place. Go figure. Family sucks sometimes, but you just gotta roll with it and keep doing your thing and hope for the best. But I'm gonna hop out, we're gonna unload, take all this stuff up there. We got another delivery yet to do today, so here we go. All right, so we got all the boards up here, and got this man. He's going to help out, do all of it really. He's the man in charge and the man working. So he already knocked out the old fence. He's going to slap some new posts in, and hopefully we got enough lumber to do the whole distance, and then we'll come back when he's got her all done. Alright, so we got those boards unloaded, tractors loaded back up. Got my putty dog. This is my grandpa's house here. It's kind of a bummer to see it in the state that it's in. It needs a lot of TLC, so that's a project to come. But I'm gonna get the dog and head on to the next project. You ready to go home, Boone? Well, we can't. We got more stuff to do. For the new people, new subscribers, that's my puppy Boone. He is the boss right there. Got a couple more things I got to do before I can go back to the house. But I'm going to end this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed me making a quick delivery. The neighbor's going to help us out, so we're going to help them out so that it's a mutual thing. But thank you guys for joining in. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. And thank you guys. We're getting close to 1,000, if not already to 1,000 by the time this video posts. Thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.